Whether you're looking to upgrade your wardrobe as a fashion lover or you just want to give your client something beautiful and unique, this top is perfect for you. First, you will need a lining fabric or a transparent fabric. You could even use a cotton light fabric, anything that is transparent. Then you'll be needing your top measurements, you'll be needing your bust measurement, your sleeve length, and your slit measurement, or you could use your half length measurement or your waist length measurement. So now I'll go ahead to mark my shoulder line and my top length. After doing that, I'll mark my shoulder measurement divided by 2, which is 7. I'll go ahead to mark my armhole measurement and rule that on a straight line. After doing that, I'll go ahead to connect both lines and also mark my bust measurement. I'll mark my bust, I'll rule a line where I'll be marking my bust measurement just like this. After marking my bust measurement, I'll also go ahead to mark my under bust measurement, that's 13.5. I'll go ahead to mark that out. So after marking it out, I just went ahead to mark my bust measurement there and added 2 inches allowance. You can add more allowances as much as you want, depending on how much you want your fabric to be showing on the inside. So after connecting this, I'll just go ahead to mark my armhole, and please ensure to add your sewing allowance to your armhole measurement as well when you add your allowance to your shoulder and your neck measurement. Also add your allowance to your armhole measurement as well. I went down by 1 inch from the shoulder length, that will be the shoulder slope, and I'll just go ahead to use my curve ruler to connect the armhole side together. So after doing that, I'll go ahead to measure my front measurement, my front length on the fabric, then just rule it out like this. I will just rule it out like this, and that will be all for now. So now I will go ahead to connect the side seam measurement together. And always confirm your measurement before you start cutting. It's very important, and it helps you and save you of any sewing hazard on your way. So just go ahead to connect your side measurement like this. So I ended up using more than 2 inches allowance because of how much I want the fabric to show on the inside. So now I will just go ahead to cut my neck measurement for the front and for the back. The back does not have a zipper, but it has an opening because this is it's a round neck, and if the back is closed, we might not be able to put it in through our head. So I'll be leaving a little slit at the back where I'll be attaching a button hole, so it will be easy for you to put it on without having to use a zipper for this top. Go ahead to cut out your fabric like this, and also note your slit measurement, that is where your side slit will be starting from. Make sure you note it and you notch it as well. So now I'll just go ahead to cut out the neck for the front and for the back, and I'll also go ahead to join the front and the back shoulder together, and also turn this with a bias after joining the shoulders together. And make sure you notch every point that you need to notch. So I went ahead to cut the sleeve off camera, and we'll just go ahead to cut and sew the turn up for the sleeve. So put your sleeve on fold and take your measurement on fold, and also replicate that measurement on the fabric that you folded into 4. So just like this, you replicate your measurement there, you mark that out and just add like half inches allowance or quarter inches allowance. That will be for the sewing allowance. And at the ending part, you want to increase the measurement and give it like a triangle-like shape, because it's going to be a bit wider at the ending or at the tip side. So this is what it looks like, just a little, just half inch extra different from your original sleeve round. So now I'll go ahead to cut this out. After cutting this out, I'll go ahead to iron down my stay on it. I'll go ahead to iron my stay on it and join it together. So this is what it looks like after sewing it together. I'll show you how I achieved this. Let me show you for the second sleeve. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to place your fabric like this. You're going to open it up like this and place it like this. So after you place it, you're going to put it right side facing right side. Align the edges together and gently fold your sleeve. Then you tuck it in with the remaining part of your torn up fabric. Pin this down, or you can just go ahead to sew straight without pinning. But to make sure they are aligned, pin it down. After pinning now, then I will just go ahead to sew it round. So I enter to sew it round, making sure I push the sides, the extra fabric inside. Then I also leave like half an inch or 1 inch opening where I'll be bringing all of it out or turning it inside out. So this is what you want to do. You just want to leave 1 inches or half inches, enough to bring out all the fabric. So this is what it looks like, and I'll try to use my scissors to push every pointy edge out. Go ahead to push out the pointy edges, and then we'll go ahead to press it down, and your turn up sleeve is ready. Your turn up sleeve is ready without any seam thread showing on the inside or on the outside. So this is what it looks like. Now I'll go ahead to attach my sleeve to my armhole. I'll go ahead to attach it to my top. So after attaching it, now I'll place the front and the back side together, and I will just go ahead to sew down the side seam up to the point of the slit measurement, the side slit measurement. So after sewing that, just like you see, I'll go ahead to cut out the front top measurement. Initially we just marked it out, we didn't cut it out. So now after joining the side, we'll go ahead to mark out, and at this point we can determine how long we want the front to be or how short we want it to be. If you want it to look more like a crop top, you can make it shorter. If you want it to be longer, it's all your choice to make. So I'll just go ahead to cut just the front only. Please be very careful not to cut the back as well. So I'll go ahead to cut just the front, and after cutting the front, I will go ahead to turn this up the same side. I'll go ahead to turn it up or to close it up with hemming gum. So this is going to be the length of my front, and now we'll go ahead to use our hemming gum to close it up to have a very neat and nice finishing. This is also going to make us have that transparent look on the inside. So you can double the layers of your hemming gum as much as you want, and doing this will make it last longer. So the more your hemming gum, the longer your gum lasts. So this is what it looks like after ironing it, after pressing it down with the hemming gum. Both the inside and the same, the side same, the length same. Just hem everything, and this is what it's going to look like. You don't need to sew or knit anymore. This is what the inside look like. That's where the slit is beginning from, and this is what it looks like. You can see it's very neat. It's very neat on the outside and it's very neat on the inside as well. You can go ahead to weave the armhole side and the back, the center back side as well, and this is what the top looks like. It's very beautiful. It's easy to wear. You can wear it for a summer, you can wear it to work, and it's very comfy for a pregnant woman. Like a pregnant woman can put this on and it's very comfortable and very free, and you can style this whichever way you want. You can style it with a leggings or a palazzo or even a skirt. So this is the finished product, and this is what my top looks like. I will definitely be making more in different colors and different fabric. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I hope you are going to try this out. Thank you for watching this video, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I post a new video. Please encourage me by sharing this video, liking, and also commenting. Your likes are very important and your comments also are very important. Thank you guys. Bye.